Kat news sabitung bentara lang Salon kipang thir amu matik cleanliness drive kedeng. Karbi Farmers Association and Karbi Hills Development and Protection Organization atum Assam Chief Minister Sarbanana Sonowal Pan Pinpura Lopanongsi Karbi Anglo DCR Deng Pinpura Loki Pajodam. Rainbow Home Higher Secondary School along HSLC Center Difu B along Sonthan Madisain Saplang Hud Kilang Tari Abang Hu Saplang Piatumapan Kipatherak Saplang Alopiti. Ataba Birta long penili Vilabon Tropi non Birtang Tonpen Arjoik Tha. Kat news sabitung pen thang ingkora pho arni kipang thira mo dengsi taralang sopan kang thir isiamo pachun pon. Arvi lemen motor ki mimiang bong kipado kipang thira mo kat news sabitung pen bangkep drap chitudun. Taralang sopan pang thir et pen bilunang taralang so balir seng lunang kat news sabitung pen laswalam seng aphan RDP dam si thang ingkora pho arni taralang so jutang aklamolong isi kipang thira mo pachundam. Kat news sabitung pen adap choksi rajitim apor pen karbir sunim sa arongoje ahut ke Chennai singmir jeng achotai lapen hemkom hemra along karkok amo dengsi kepang thira mo papleng. Kat news ham phangar pu kedeng pen kedeng kepang thir amo along kat news bangkep chirap chitudun. Karbi jutanga song mate KCS Mai Puchandra Singh Kropen taralang so along kepang thir amo kedeng ke mesen lu pasi kat news ham phang pan choro lapen kurwang thu pajir.
Likebra phong deng Karbi rusim sorong aje juddet pen Karbi people holds angkang arlo pinangana ke ter dolo sila bangso kaddo ko ke ter ke pangthai la pen ke pameji pan ke pangthir ji pan pini kat channel la pen hill strike tracker tum kapang thira saina nga denga pot nili Karbi jutanga song hin balang de churo parlo lapen alang litung la bangso taralang so Karbi people hus panan par Karbi akhe jutang pan ka ching honthek lagalang lu pan churu reune la son dak thak si pinangan kapang thir lang ya sai do peglang la si pini la bangso kat news channel hin pen kaddo ka be ham phanga song aphan dili Karbi jutang song amei phuin chuning ri lo larong aje angkang pi kapang thira saya long kaddo ka bita nang acherap nang achitu dunjia phan chuning ri le thotlo siputhot pinia sayang deng ke deng pon kat news channel la pen hills tracker tuma phan chuju kachuro pajir thule thotlo alang tum pinangan keterajo kapang thir pon thek lage ke bangjilang ili tuma khe phan isi ke mesanang tek pusni lipudam tung se anso se ke chara pa chitu thek je phan dilis song mai pu hin pen ka to ka be ham phanga song phan chuning tule thotlo.
First of all, I want to say that cleanliness is next to godliness. Then I would like to thank to my team, national team, that they have worked hard to clean this place, and I would like to thank to the KCS president also to take the step of cleanliness drive from Bharat Swachh Abhijan. And I would like to say to all the people of Difu that not only organizations should come here and do the work. We have our own duty, keep our place clean, because this is the only place where we used to have our festival. Recently, we have finished our 45th KYF. I would like to request all the people of Karbi Anglong that we should come together and we should clean the place, because it's a tourist place, and if we do not keep our place clean, then who will come? So we should love our place, and we should come forward, and we should clean the place of Karbi festival.
Karbi Farmers Association lapen Karbi Hills Development and Protection Organization at tumpen thang ni phaing kora phorni man ki dwa Assam Chief Minister Sarbanana Sonowal aphan pinpura loe pak panongsi Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner adeng ki pachir damabirta katni sa hem along birta nangle. Karbi Farmers Association lapen Karbi Hills Development and Protection Organization at tumpen Assam Chief Minister Sarbanana Sonowal aphan panongpen Karbi Anglong DC aphan ki pajir dam pinpura lo along ki jongpon naki Difu Z4 Irrigation Department along Karbi Anglong hangkang irrigation hin anso se ki pangchu japan pura nang kipali kuti-kuti tangka ahok hia bil salam pen tangka kipang lima puthak tarlip si arona teng pen ingsai nang jipura pinpura lolong kijong padu. Dhansuri constituency ki parlo ang kang Dhansuri Primary Health Center along a Dr. Lapen Chokomaratum aruiwangta bhomti ani pen bhom kurwani Primary Health Center along kachido dia puthak non hejong pherang ki pen katni sasahem along biota nang pali. Dhansuri Primary Health Center aruitin ta nini mate bhomti lapen bhom kuru ani Dr. Lapen Chokomaratum sikelang ahem along chido de. La sojong men ki sokyun e hurason ki sikachelang Japan agisung dukok ti pusirat atum pen ningche. Sikilang hem aruiwang ta bhom kuru la pen bhom tiani kang kirvera puthak Dhansuri arada tum ning ririnti. La si Primary Health Center kai kia mata kang puwer je phan rada tum pen kachening ripado. Namalam sopor phan biota moing to pan iksina.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now, the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now, this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose. But in the polling station, this control unit is kept with the presiding officer. And these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment. So that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent requests the returning officer under section 56T for a recount. The commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So, this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Uff, ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nanya na cusir ham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalam tar beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, ke cengsi sopin so la pesor lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinang humrignol.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি? এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই, কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ। বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব।
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ।
Dinamo piputhot birta long wangthulo. Rainbow Home Higher Secondary School along thang kora phorni kibado kepa satlang mate HSLC sonthan mate science hut satlang kilang charia bangphu satlang ki toka bang phia phan lang plot lapen ang thegalu ki thi lapen ki patherak pasi akoi longpon kepa satlang mate HSLC satlang ki tok ari sonim sumara phanmon sampen satlang patok nang jipwa borhut Rainbow Home Higher Secondary School HSLC Center bialong thang kora phorni kibado sonthan mate science satlang kilang charia rideng pera chak au smart pherak nang sonthan satlang jut podok dog hut mithang satlang ki tok dang aphi lang phrui chia phan lapen akili aloke krong dunji ta our side pp apor ki physically injeksi patherak thurong pasi sonthan ani kilang chari dun abangphu mate than bang phan akoi pidam dirta bang gela pans kang ton poniklo dumit thak mek kurbang thu